guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is May 28th and I'm going to make my number 6 video of translation from English to Tagalog to Visayan. So this is about inspiring words or saying. So here's my number 1. Happiness, kaligayahan, kalibay. In English, in sentence, happiness is so amazing it does not matter if it's yours or not. In Tagalog, ang kaligayahan ay nakakamangha. Hindi na bali kung sa'yo o kaya'y sa iba. In Bisayan, ang kalipay maanindot yun. Dili na magdepende kung imuha ba o sa ubang tao ba. In my number 2, grow, tutubo, mudaghan. Good must not give up or else bad will grow in numbers. In Tagalog, ang mabuti kailangang tutubo. Kung hindi, ang masama ay dadami. In Bisayan, ang maayo kinahanglan mudaghan, kay dili ang dautan mudaghan. So this is the number 3. This is my last one because I'm making it a sentence instead of word. But I just still highlight the word in the top. And here's world, mundo, kalibutan. Alright. In English, we need more good people to make the world a better place. In Tagalog, kailangan natin maraming mabubuting tao para sa maging mas mabuti ang lugar sa mundo. In Bisaya, kinahanglan ta og daghang buotang tao para ang kalibutan mahimong mas maanindot nga lugar. Alright, that's all for today, guys. I will see you in my next video. I might make a game video because there's 3 days left for the end season reward in Splinterland. So, either I can make number 7 of this video or I will make the game video or I can be live too. So I will see you in my next video. You take care. Bye.